Welcome. I am Alex, and I'm here today with a convenient short flow that will stretch the entire body and requires no standing. Let's begin seated. Relax the shoulders down, lower the chin a little bit so the crown of the head is at the top. And take a couple of breaths in and out through the nose, bringing yourself to the present moment, to your experience. Let's inhale and reach your arms above the head, seal the palms, and lower the right hand down as you reach up and up with the left for a side body stretch. Sit up, leave the left arm up, reach the right arm to meet it, and we'll twist or lower to the left side. Lengthen and reach. Now sit up, keep the arms lifted. We're getting the blood flowing. Inhale, twist to the right. Left hand to the right knee. Use the right hand as a kickstand to draw the right shoulder back, but also to lift and lengthen. Release through center. Both arms lift you up. And twist to the left. Right hand to the left knee. And release. Reach your arms up. Lift up. Seal the palms. And lower your hands down. Just connect to your breath. Connect to your commitment to your practice. Let's come to lie down on your back. Lengthen out nice and long. Reach your arms overhead. And draw the right knee into your chest. Interlace your fingers all the way to the webbing. And use a little bit of bicep strength to squeeze that leg in close. Reach your leg back down next to the left. Reach and lengthen. And the left knee hugs in. Switch the interlacing of the fingers. Try not to let the chin stick straight up. Lower the chin if you need to. Release, another full body stretch. And both knees hug in, nose to knees. Head and neck lie back down. And place your hands on top of the kneecaps and draw some circles in one direction. Use a little bit of hand strength here so that you can really reach and feel that on the back. Let's switch around. Hi, Caesar. All right, let's set the left foot down flat, keep the knee bent, and then the right knee, you're gonna hug it in, and then reach the right foot toward the ceiling. You don't have to straighten the leg to feel the hamstring, and move that top foot around a little bit, point and flex. Maybe bend and straighten the knee a little bit, just getting into the leg and the foot, calf. Cross the right ankle over the left knee and let the knee fall away from you. This might be enough, or you're going to lift the lower body, lightly flex the feet, and reach through underneath the right calf. Hold the back of the left leg as you press the right knee away from you. But make sure you feel it in the glute. Set your left foot down. Reach the right foot up again. Hold on to the foot or the leg. Stay here or find a half happy baby. Let the left knee fall out onto the left edge of the foot, or the left foot roll out, and that'll help you to find some balance. So you can pull the right knee toward the right armpit. Let's release, extend the right leg toward the ceiling, and lengthen out the whole body, stretch it out. Feel the right side, compare it to the left, and we will switch sides. Draw the left knee into the chest, right knee is bent, the foot is flat. So to begin, you're going to hold the knee in, and then gently lengthen your foot to the ceiling. Bend and straighten the leg. I like to take my time with the hamstrings. Move the top foot around. And then we're going to cross the left ankle over the right knee, let the knee fall away. And to add on, you're going to lift your lower body up, reach through to hold underneath the right leg. Gentle flexion in the feet. Think about your breath. Think about the left glute opening up. Set the right foot down. Let's reach your left leg up again. And let the right foot roll out onto the right edge. The knee falls out, and you're going to half happy baby with the left leg. Pull the knee. You're holding onto the bottom of the foot or wherever you can reach, and you're pulling the knee toward the armpit. Release, extend the left foot up and away from you, full body stretch. Place your hands on the mat, bend your knees, feet are flat, fingertips are pretty close to the heels, and the knees are about hip width distance. Press into the feet evenly as you lift up into a bridge. Make sure you stay looking straight ahead. Never right or left with the neck in a back bend. Slowly lower down, one vertebrae at a time. Happy baby, both feet. Face the ceiling, lift it up, knees are wide, and it might feel good to rock side to side. Maybe straighten one or both legs at a time. Let's roll up to a seated position and all the way to a tabletop. Knees hip width, hands shoulder width. Let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, lower the belly, lift the gaze. Exhale, press everything away, rounding the back. We're only doing 3, so make them so intentional. Inhale. Exhale, cat back. Once more. Best one yet. Long exhale. Press the mat away. Neutral spine. Extend your right leg back. Keep the toe on the mat. Stretch through the calf and the foot. And switch sides. Extend your left foot back, finding some motion. Let's sit down, bring the knees together, sit between your feet. This might be enough already on your quads. If you can do a little bit more, we're going to slowly lower back without letting the knees lift to forearms. You might go all the way back. I'm going to stay here because I already feel it in the tops of my legs. Let's lift back up. Come to tabletop and straighten out your legs. You can do a downward dog. I haven't decided if that counts as standing or not. We're not standing all the way up, so I think it's okay. Let's lower back into a tabletop for thread the needle. Right arm reaches up and to the side and underneath. Walk the left hand forward. I'm going to leave my forehead on the mat. Just a couple of breaths here, not too deep, just feel the initial sensations. To release, press into the left hand, walk back up, and reach the right arm up to reset. And replace the right hand on the mat, left arm opens up to the ceiling. I let my hips kind of come out of alignment, it's okay. And left arm threads palm up, walk the right hand forward, forehead down. Will help you to level the shoulders. And release, press into the right hand and open the left hand up to the ceiling. And tabletop into puppy. Leave your legs where they are. The hips stay over the knees. And you're going to walk your hands, maybe 1 or 2 palm prints forward. And press into the palms a little bit for support. Soft elbows, but the arms are straight. Bring the forehead to the mat. Let's release into Sphinx. Shift your weight forward and down. We're on our stomachs, propped up on forearms. Press down through the hands and the wrists, forearms, and pull the chest through. And release. Press up to a tabletop. Back to a child's pose just to lengthen out the spine for a moment. Tabletop. Bring your legs out in front of you. Nice breeze. And sit up tall in a staff pose. You're trying to create a right angle with the body. If the back and or the legs are tight, you can leave the knees a little bent. And a block might be helpful here to help press down to lengthen the spine. Bend your left knee. Let the knee fall out to the side. We're square to the right leg. Inhale, lift. Exhale, forward, fold over the right leg. Sit up. Switch it out. Bring the right foot into the left thigh. Knee falls out to the side. Sit up so tall. Reach. Exhale, forward, fold. Lift back up. Extend both legs in front of you. Sit up tall, and you don't have to straighten the legs. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Make this as gentle or as intense as you need it to be. Sit back up. Place your hands on the mat behind you. Feet are flat, knees are bent, hip width. Press into a reverse tabletop. Let the head and neck drop back if that's comfortable for you. Don't let the knees splay out. Sit down. Soles of the feet touch. Hold on to the outsides of the feet. Sit up. And come forward. Rounded back, flat back, your call. Reconnect to your breath. and lift back up. Lean back on your hands. Let's just kind of windshield wiper the knees a little bit, side to side. And come back to a seated position. Sitting up nice and tall, lower the shoulders away from the ears, lower the chin slightly. Reach your left hand out, lower the right ear toward the shoulder. And switch. Very gentle. Come back to center. Reach both fingertips on the mat, reach them away from you. Sit up so tall. Inhale, keep the arms wide as you lift up. Arms overhead, seal the palms. And lower the hands down to heart center. Thank you for joining me today. Thank yourself for your commitment to your practice, and I will see you all soon. Namaste. Namaste.